In the flattened neighborhoods of Steens, Mississippi, there are certainly demolished homes, devastated souls, and a lifetime of possessions emptied for the world to see. But what you won't find, miraculously, are any families grieving the loss of life.
So this is the second time on this property that you've been hit by a tornado.
Oh, yeah.
And you've lived to tell about it.
Oh, yeah. Not wanting to, but it happens.
In the case of 66-year-old Richard White, who left before the storm to look after his dad.
He's older and he gets real nervous when these come around. Then they had them sirens going off. Yep, it was pretty rough.
His return home today highlighted the presence of a possible guardian angel.
So if that had been won over, it would have been your bedroom.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Do you see that and think that could have been life or death?
Oh, yeah. Real quick. Real quick.
And the miracles just kept on coming.
You know, I'm looking around you right now. You have the side of your wall caved in. There is no roof.
No roof.
Where were you during the storm?
I was in the bathroom, in my hallway on the north side of the house. And you'll see why in a few minutes.
Take a look at the inside of James Brown's house.
What's right there?
That was my storage shed.
And now you have a clear view of the field behind your house.
I have a clear view of the field. See, it came right through here.
The living room, patio, and rear bedroom were all ripped away as he hid in the bathroom holding this transistor radio.
I had a phone there. I had a radio right here. I had my remote control.
Brown's bedroom and bathroom managed to stay untouched while everything else in the home met Mother Nature's might.
Did you think you were going to survive in that moment?
Well, yes, and where I was at, because it wasn't. I felt safe where I was at.
What evidence did you have that you were going to live through this?
Just that maybe the good Lord told me I need to survive, I guess.
A blessing for sure, as this unincorporated community in eastern Mississippi felt awfully connected tonight.
Sam Brock joins us live tonight from Steens, Mississippi. Sam, I looked at that video and I listened to your story, and I just don't understand how people survive that. The tornado literally ripped trees in half right next to them.
It's a fair question. I don't know that a lot of people understand. If you look behind me, that's the house where James Brown was. So I think it's likely a combination of things, Tom. Part of it is just the geographical disposition of this area. It is not densely populated. Also, people like James did go inside. They knew where they were supposed to be if disaster struck. He went to the bathroom. That was the right thing to do. But most importantly, you have luck involved. These were not long-track tornadoes. They didn't last 50 to 100 miles. They were more like 2 or 3 miles. And we are very grateful that this community was, in fact, lucky.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.